NAEC Intelligent Factory for Metal Components defines the future of flexible manufacturing for small structural parts through automation, digitization, and intelligence, especially for high-mix, low-volume type of production easily and efficiently. It enables production with minimal human intervention and 24/7 working. The factory is driven by a digital management platform, enabling ERP integration and APS-based scheduling across all workshops. The factory is mainly divided into the following zones: office building and central control room, intelligent storage center, intelligent material cutting center, intelligent welding center, intelligent coating center. Steel plate raw materials are stored in the raw material buffer area of the intelligent storage center. Forklifts transport the steel plates from the storage center to the buffer area of the intelligent material cutting center. This temporary buffer stores the steel plates needed for one production shift. Forklifts then move the full steel plate stacks to the feeding position of the lifting conveyor. The lifting conveyor elevates the steel plates to the designated layer and conveys them to the storage position. The lifting conveyor retrieves steel plates from the designated layer and places them on the feeding position of the intelligent gantry. The intelligent gantry automatically picks a steel plate and places it onto the cutting machine workbench. The cutting machine performs cutting according to system instructions. After cutting, the intelligent gantry transports the entire stack of cut plates to the sorting area. High-low vehicles transport the stacks to the sorting station. Following instructions from the sorting system, the vision system and intelligent gantry and effector pick steel plates into designated material bins. Full bins are transported by AGV to the next station. The vision system automatically scans part information, and handling robots pick the parts onto the cutting platform for automatic groove cutting. After automatic grinding, the handling robot places the processed parts into material bins, which are transported by AGV to the next station. The intelligent gantry picks parts for feeding. Sanding machines perform automatic grinding. Small-sized parts are transported by AGV to the next station, while large-sized parts go to the straightening station, after which the intelligent gantry automatically arranges them onto pallets. Handling robots pick and adjust part orientation. Then place parts into bending machine clamps for automatic bending. Processed parts are placed into material bins, which are transported by AGV to the next station. Conveyor lines automatically transport profiles to the loading position. The profile cutting machine, equipped with a cutting chuck, performs profile cutting operations. The intelligent gantry completes part stacking. After cutting, the parts are transported by AGV to the grinding area. Once grinding is completed, the parts are transferred by AGV to the palletizing area. Operators organize parts into end-of-line material bins according to assembly requirements, after which AGV transport them to the next station.